To show landline phone ringing notification as pop-up in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap the setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap sound types. While the alert for sound notification is set to allow sound and vibration and pop-up feature is on. Next, tap notification categories. Scroll down the screen. Under appliances and other section, tap landline phone ringing. While the alert for landline phone ringing notification is set to alert, tap the gray on off switch next to show as pop-up to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. By doing this, when sound notification feature is on and it detects a landline phone ringing near you, your phone will show the notification as pop-up. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.